Hi, I'm Max from Checkfront support team, and today we're going to look at how to properly attribute a partner to a booking. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have partner accounts. The way you can do this is by going to Manage Accounts, Partner Accounts. See that we have 3 right here. So we can create a new one. And now that we've created this partner account, your partner will be able to log in and only have access to whatever you give them permissions to. So let's go ahead and make a test booking. Go to Booking, New Booking. Go through here. And now that when we've got to the invoice, we can attribute this to a partner if we've made the booking on their behalf by going to Add Partner Attribution, selecting the partner. So we can go ahead and select the new one we just created, submit, and then now this booking will be attributed to partner 3. So if they're not the ones who made the booking through their own account, you can still attribute it to them. And now if you see, when we go back to the partner accounts, partner example 3 has successfully made one booking, or had one booking attributed to them. I hope you find this helpful, and if you have any further questions on the subject, you can email us at support@checkfront.com.